Hello guys, hello my dear friends. This is my official Telegram channel, Ganymede Hack. If you want this real working hack for your PK or mobile Android phone, look at this, Ganymede Hack, Ganymede channel. This is my official correct links. 22 March, 25 years active, fresh date and fresh time today. You see Ganymede channel, Ganymede Hack. This is my official correct links. If you want this hack, this is my subscribers, and let's go. I'm gonna show you how it's work. Go to the Google Chrome. Go to the onewin.com official website. Onewin.com official website. And go to the Aviator, because today I will show you Aviator Scribe, how work Aviator Scribe, Aviator Predictor. Onewin.com official website. Look at this, my friends. You see, this is me. More balance. 22 March, 25 years, fresh date and fresh time right now, you see. Go to my mobile Android phone, select Aviator Predictor application. Select country where you're relocated. I'm from Russia, and then select Russian server. Connect to Russia server. OneWin, Aviator, and look at this, how work hack. It's amazing, you see guys, it's amazing, it's real work perfect. Let's go place a bet right now. $88 for my money, you see. Place a bet. 1.99 next coefficient right now when Aviator stop. Look at this. Upstairs my official Telegram channel, guys. $1.65 next coefficient when Aviator stop. Look at this. $1.58 next coefficient when Aviator stop. Look at this, how it's work. I place a bet. Show you how it's work. $1.64 next coefficient. Place a bet. Yes, it's amazing. You see, guys, as you see, all this real and work perfect, and hack real work. Place a bet. 3.27 next coefficient right now, and look at this, how it's working, how I win money. Yes, my friends, hack work perfect, and you see that it's real correct. This is my history from today. You see my bets, my balance, withdraft. This is my deposit today. You see, March 22 March, 25 years. Thank you for view, guys. If you want to make money like me, write me to my official Telegram channel, because all this real and work perfect. Bye bye, my friends. See you later.